Children, please open English class workbook, page number 89. Two-letter words. The first word is I and in. So let us trace it. Standing line and a dot. I and standing line. Go up, make a curve, come down straight. I and in. I standing line, make a dot like this, and standing line, go up, make a curve, come down straight, and I and in. I and in, like this. Now we will write the next word. It is E for if. I, F, if. So let us trace it. Standing line and a dot, and we will write F. From little bit below the red line, we will make a curve and come straight down like this, and slipping line on the first blue line. I, F, if. E for if. Let us write over here. Standing line, dot. Little bit below the red line, make a curve, come down straight. F. E for if. I, F, if. Let us write over here also. Standing line, make a dot. I, F. Little bit below the red line, make a curve, come down straight, and sleeping line on the first blue line like this. F. E for if. I, F, if. E, is. E, is. So let us trace it. Standing line, dot. C curve and a reverse C curve. Okay. E, is. I, as, is. Standing line, dot. I and S. Like this. E, is. I, as, is. इसी तरह से बच्चों आपको बोलते जाना है और लिखते जाना है. E, is. I, as, is. E, it. E, it. I, it. Standing line and a dot. That makes I. T, little bit below the red line, standing line, touch the second blue line and make a curve. And a sleeping line on the first blue line. That makes a T. E, it. I, it. Standing line, dot. Little bit below the red line, standing line, touch the second blue line, make a curve, and sleeping line on the first blue line. E, it. I, it. E, it. I, it. Like this, you have to complete the whole page of two-letter words.